This Bhakti Sulana um, is not only good for beginners, it is good for all devotees. Not only Bhakti says, even Bhakti Vedanta, we should do this because I have seen from practical experience, I'm sure all of us have seen from practical experience. Many of us are into knowledge, getting knowledge, acquiring knowledge, and not so serious about practicing it. Yeah, knowledge is one thing, but devotion is completely different. These courses prepare us to be well grounded in our Christian consciousness. So I will advise that all of us should hear this, you should learn this and practice it. Then it will make our Krishna consciousness complete. Hare Krishna.